Most people accept that getting old is an inevitable part of life. We are born, we grow to become fertile adults, and then our bodies age until they expire at an average age of 80 for men and 84 for women. Woo, these women are lucky in every aspect. As we age, some of the inevitable symptoms include graying and thinning hair, loss of fertility, weakening bones, decreased brain function, and losing our ability to hear and focus our eyes. But why does this happen? Why don't our tissues continue regenerating forever? Well, that's why we are gathered here today. Before starting today's topic, I'll always do a random shout out from my subscribers. If you want to get mentioned in my next video, subscribe now and leave a comment. Now, why does aging happen? For decades, scientists have been studying the subject. There are currently more than 300 theories on why we age, and experts are learning more every day. Let's explore why humans age, and how you can slow down the effects. Did you know, there are two types of aging in life? Number 1, cellular aging. Cellular aging is due to intrinsic factors. It's related to the biological aging of cells. Cells are the basic building blocks of the body. Your cells are programmed to divide, multiply, and perform basic biological functions. But the more cells divide, the older they get. In turn, cells eventually lose their ability to function properly. Cellular damage also increases as cells get older. This makes the cell less healthy, causing biological processes to fail. Cellular damage accumulates over time. Now, the second type of aging is environmental aging. Environmental aging is related to extrinsic factors. It refers to how our surroundings and lifestyle affect how we age. This includes factors like air pollution, tobacco smoke, alcohol consumption, malnutrition, ultraviolet radiation, UV exposure. Over time, these factors can damage our cells and contribute to aging. Everyone experiences both types of aging. However, each form of aging varies from person to person, which explains why we age in different ways. There are literally more than 300 theories on why we age. If I started telling you every theory, I bet you all will sleep like you never did. And also, my computer will become a room heater. So, let's quickly discuss some prominent theories. Let's start with gene theory. This theory suggests that specific genes turn on and off over time, causing aging. Endocrine theory. According to this theory, aging is caused by changes in hormones, which are produced by the endocrine system. Immunological theory. Also called the autoimmune theory, this is the idea that the immune response is designed to decline. The result is disease and aging. Okay, let's stop here and discuss other important matters than theories. I'll leave a link to these theories in the description. Check if you are interested. Did you know, in recent decades, life expectancy around the world has increased? This is due to many factors, including better nutrition, improved hygiene, access to health care, improvements in modern medicine. These factors can protect our cells and reduce cellular damage, increasing life expectancy. Now, it's time for the most important topic of today's video. Why do women live longer than men? I know most of you are waiting for this answer. And do you know what I'm waiting for? A big thumbs up from you. Slap that like button like you did to your sibling. In most parts of the world, women live longer than men. This is due to several biological, social, and environmental factors. Women, on average, have more estrogen than men. Estrogen is the female sex hormone. It's been found to have anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting effects, which may protect women from certain diseases. In contrast, the male sex hormone testosterone may suppress the immune system. Men typically have more of this hormone. There are also behavioral differences between men and women. Generally, compared to men, women eat healthier, drive more safely, consume less alcohol, tobacco, or drugs, are more likely to access health services. We men should really drive on roads to live longer than women. Let's give a tough competition to women, so that we can live in peace. Do you want to live longer? Then you should subscribe my channel. Because, me and God had a deal. So, I'll put your name in Immortal's list. Grab this offer by subscribing. We'll have fun. And finally, the most asked question: can we slow the effects of aging? Though aging is inevitable, it's possible to slow down some of the effects. You can do this by following healthy lifestyle habits. Here's how to slow aging: eat a nutritious diet, stay active, avoid tobacco, drink alcohol in moderation, attend regular checkups, know your family history, engage your brain, and last but not least, wear sunscreen. I wanted to say more, but my computer started behaving like a fire breathing monster. Meet you in the next one.